Hey everyone, welcome to WeloMedia Gadget Spotlight, the series where we bring you the most exciting gadgets and tech release every week. I'm Alex and today we have a packed lineup. From groundbreaking e-bikes to innovative gaming gear and some amazing AI-powered wearables, you won't want to miss this. Let's dive in and check out what's happening in the world of tech. First up, let's talk about Skarper. They've created an electric bike conversion system that can literally change any regular bike into an e-bike with just a click. No wires, no fuss. The system weighs only 3.9 kg and comes with a 250-watt motor that delivers 32 nanometer of torque. That's enough to handle most city rides and even hills. The battery gives you up to 50 kilometers on a single charge, and if you are in a rush, a 30-minute quick charge will give you up to 15 kilometers of range. And here's the cool part. All you need is a bike with disc brakes. The unit is attached directly to the brake rotor. Genius, right? What do you think? Could this transform how we move around cities? Let me know in the comments. Now that you've seen how easy it's to electrify your ride, let's shift gears and talk about something that will really help you take control of your creative workflow. Calling all streamers, gamers and creators, the MasterHUB is a revolutionary modular system that brings all your control needs right to your fingertips. It's fully customizable with modules for everything from editing in Adobe to live streaming on Twitch. The MasterHUB includes an IPS display module, scroll modules, feathers, and knobs, all magnetically attachable to the base. Whether you're adjusting brush size in Photoshop, scrubbing through timelines in Premiere, or managing multiple apps while streaming, this device adapts to your workflow. It even syncs up with popular platforms like OBS and Streamlabs, making it the ultimate tool for streamers looking to simplify their setup. Plus, the RGB lighting adds the extra touch of flair for those who want their desk to stand out. From controlling your creative flow to keeping you comfy while you work, next up we are checking out an incredible piece of tech for anyone who spends hours at their desk. Let's take a look at Cooler's Masters Hybrid 1 gaming chair. The Cooler Master Hybrid 1 is not just any gaming chair, it's built for both work and play. It's designed with a top-tier adjustability to support gamers and office warriors alike. With a steel frame, breathable mesh, and memory foam seat, this chair is built for comfort and durability. And the best part, it's got a nearly flat recline feature if you ever need to take a quick nap between gaming sessions or meetings. The lumbar support moves in 4 directions, allowing it to fit different body types, and the armrests are fully adjustable to support all your ergonomic needs. Priced at $449, it's a solid investment for anyone spending long hours in front of a screen. And now that we have covered comfort and productivity, it's time to speed things up, literally. Let's talk about the future of walking with the incredible Moonwalkers. Moonwalkers X, the world's fastest shoes. Ever wish you could walk faster without breaking a sweat? Well, Moonwalkers are here to make that dream come true. These AI-powered robotic shoes can increase your walking speed by up to 250%, allowing you to walk at speeds of up to 11 km per hour. Unlike traditional skates, Moonwalkers use adaptive AI to match your stride and stop when you stop. Whether you're walking on city streets or a warehouse floor, these shoes adjust in real time for the smoothest walking experience. And here's the kicker. They are not just for casual users. The Moonwalkers X model is designed for industrial use, specifically for warehouse workers who log thousands of steps every day. With 10 wheels and lighter materials, they are both fast and incredibly durable. Do you think you could use a pair of Moonwalkers? Let me know in the comments below. And now, let's check a tool that's perfect for content creators looking for the best camera angles. Edelkrone StandPlus, the ultimate camera stand. If you are a content creator, you know how important it is to get the perfect shot. Let us present you the Edelkrone StandPlus, a super versatile stand that can be adjusted without knobs or screws. It's like a tripod but more flexible, perfect for shooting overhead, tabletop or unique angles that would be impossible with a regular tripod. Built with solid metal balls in its legs, this stand glides smoothly on flat surfaces and let you rotate your camera effortlessly. It folds down for easy storage and has a weight capacity of 6 pounds, making it ideal for everything from phones to mirrorless cameras. Imagine being able to change your shot in seconds without any hassle sounds. Pretty amazing, right? If you enjoyed today's episode, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more tech updates. Which gadget caught your attention the most? Let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you next week with more exciting tech right here on WeloMedia. Remember, at WeloMedia, we love media.